Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube tutorial. My name is Samson Abasiono, and in today's class I'm going to show you how to edit black and white. Welcome back, and our image is already open on Photoshop, and I'm going to go straight to edit our black and white. That's going to retain both every details you see on this model skin. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicate our layer. I'm going to name this main colored, and I'm going to duplicate again by pressing Ctrl J on our keyboard, and I'm going to name this black/white image. So the normal way we all know how to change image to black and white on Photoshop is by coming to our adjustments here and clicking on black and white, and our image is black and white. We can also adjust the settings here to get whatever effect we want, but this is the normal way we all know. But I don't want to use this method because your image is just there, right? So I want to show you another way and a more defined way. So I'm going to name this, let me group this by pressing Ctrl G on my keyboard and name this black/W01. So let me look at this and name it B/W/W main. So we can see, you can always check to see the difference between using the adjustment layer to press black and white and doing it this way I want to do it. So the first thing we want to do is go to our filter and go to camera raw filter. We're using Photoshop, you have the camera raw filter in Photoshop. So the first thing next thing I want to do is to bring this down -1. And I want to also go to my hue and saturation. Where we have our color mister, HSL adjustment. Go to saturation, bring down all this, bring it down to -100, like this. Blue, purple, magenta. Okay, you can see our image is black and white already. All right, so the next thing I want to do is increase my white to, let's say, something around 45 is okay. I'm going to increase my shadows also to 45. That's good. I'm going to bring down my blacks to, let's say, 30. And this is what we have. The next thing I want to do is to go to my color, our white balance here. I'm going to bring down the blues to -100 and also my tints to -100, and we can see what we have. I think I'm going to increase my clarity a bit and increase my texture a bit. Right, this is good. Let me bring this down a bit to like 50. It's too much. Let's make it 40. All right, this is good. And let's press OK on the keyboard. Good. So you can see the difference between this and this. You can see this is more defined, and your black and white looks very, very, very good. So this is how I save my picture in Photoshop for Instagram post. I'm going to go to my file, export as, and I'm going to make this sharper. I'm going to increase this. Let's increase this to like 150%, and make sure your PNG is on and export. And let's save. And that's it for today, guys. See you next week, and don't forget to like our channel, subscribe to our channel. Also, Don't forget to check the link in the descriptions to go and download the raw files, the raw images, raw files, and also the black and white lot we have. All right, see you and bye bye.